Om Shri Matre Namaha. I'm Dr. Pallavi Quatra, and I have been grooming and very much humbled to offer Dikshas into Uchista Ganpati and Kamakhya sadhanas as a part of the Vama Tantra Dikshas to more than over 500 students worldwide. And I'm at my altar today with Uchista Ganpati, Rajarajeshwari Goddess Ma Kamakhya and Kal Bhairav. So, over a period of the past decade, I have worked very deeply with these sadhanas and found them to be well gelling with my urban lifestyle, and also found that these sadhanas helped me transform my consciousness and evolve me into a brand new person, a person who is more happy, cheerful, blessed, peaceful, and santusht in life. So, I want to do my best to be able to give all the sadhakas a balanced perspective in their life about all the areas of their life. And uh, just like in a triangle, we have three dots. And I realized that, and in this trishul that I have in my hand, we have the trident or the three paths. So the path of Tantra is also incomplete without the component of Kal Bhairava in it. If we have Ganesha as one of the apex of the triangle, we have Kal Bhairava and we have the goddess Kamakhya, then our sadhana will become like the stambha or the standing pillar of light and make us into the most uh, evolved version of who we want to be and experience life in its full spectrum. So, the deity Uchista Ganpati is very beautiful because he grants us moksha and bhoga and helps us playfully walk through life by resolving our inner conflicts, confusions, and obstacles. And Ma Kamakhya gives us the ability to have the cosmic womb consciousness and all our creative dimensions and walk peacefully and happily through the path of karma or desire. And now I bring to you the third component of this Vama Trika Tantra Diksha, which is the initiation into the Kal Bhairava Shakti Krama. This will help the sadhaka to have more courage, grounding, fearlessness, and the ability to hold these energies together as a compounding form. So we need Kal Bhairava in our life for all these facets, because without courage, without timeless uh, remembrance of who we really are, we will not be able to culminate our sadhana into a very beautiful blossomed flower. So I welcome you all to the upcoming registrations of the Bhairav Shakti Krama Dikshas, which is going to be a multi-level. Advanced programs are also available into Dikshas. So there are initial methods of working or the basic levels, which will help you to very simply do Batuk Bhairav and Kal Bhairav processes and mantra japas and understand their tattvas, understand the variations and how to do these sadhanas. This will be like a preparatory level, after which there is the complete sadhana diksha level, which will help you to understand the deeper facets of Kal Bhairava and help you to transform your life with fearlessness and with confidence, transcending the boundaries of your own mind and the fears and conditioned patterns that hold you back. So that will be wonderful. You will also learn the various puja vidhis, etc., and the mantras of Kal Bhairav and also the Kal Bhairav Ashtakam, which is a beautiful and complete hymn towards one's own mukti and liberation. The third and the advanced Mahadiksha level on in this Bhairav Shakti Krama will be the process of going into the transcendence of time. So it won't be just about the mastery of time. Kal Bhairava is about mastery of time, but we will go deeper into Mahakal Bhairava, the Shunyata, the void, and the ability to transcend time through a very, very detailed process of nyasas, mini yogas, and mantra japas, and also guided meditations offered to you for going deeper into the stillness. And the void is the place where the actual creativity begins. The momentum of Shakti cannot be experienced until one is ready to be silent and be in the restive awareness of the Mahakal Bhairav. So that is my wish and my blessing for all of you, that you come to these beautiful amalgamated alchemic fusion of sadhanas of Kal Bhairav, Uchchista Ganpati, and Ma Kamakya, and help taken from these sadhanas will groom you into a complete and beautiful, blessed uh, human being that you must be, and you must experience your life in full fruition while you walk on this planet Earth. And that's my wish, that's my blessing, that's my prayer. Thank you so much. Shri Matre Namaha.